What's up? Figured I'd do a quick little video for Controlled Chaos back here. She's been seeing some miles, so we're getting a little bit of wear and tear on the seat here. And I acquired these seat covers. Not sure if they came off of a JK or a JL. They do have the airbag set up, so I believe they will work. And we have the zippers here for the headrest. We set that up as well. So, see if I can get you set up to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to start with getting the headrest off, getting the seat cover over the top. When you have a Jeep and you don't like the doors on all the time, you get mud and water where it probably shouldn't be. So we're going to fix that.
Problem solved.
Okay. There we go. Let's see what this is going to look like. Okay. That'll work. Let me show you how these back ones work. So they go slide through. And then hard to do one-handed. Just like that. And it just keeps them down in place. Just like that. That just goes and just tucks in the creases like that. And some more bungees on the bottom. This will go back on. Show you those metal clips real quick too. So lighting is not the greatest. You see them up here. There. Just hook wherever you can hook them. And then there you go. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 months or so since we put in these seat covers. These ones here, a little leather. They're actually meant for a JL, I believe, but they fit okay. This one here actually doesn't even have the bottom spring latch deals on the hooks, and it stays pretty good. Really, for what they're doing, they're doing a good job. Just figured I'd give you that little update since you